Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. It's like weird, I feel like I'm screaming. Let me just... Hi. Today's video, I thought it would be fun to do like a day in my life vlog, but I also thought it'd be fun to show you guys my favorite products throughout the day. I thought I was super original and like no one had done this, and then I saw that everyone has done this and I was like, okay, well I guess I'm not original, but I still thought it'd be fun. I look disgusting right now. I just worked out. Yeah, take you guys with me throughout my day, show you what I'm doing, but also show you the products that I've been loving. I'm gonna share my first like favorite thing that I've been loving right now with you right now. Well, I just said right now, so we're gonna do it right now. Duh. I always do this. I have an extension cord and I always command strip it to my wall to make it closer to my bed. This thing also had a light that was driving me insane in the middle of the night, so I put tape over it. This is the favorite. So it is, oh no, don't hello, focus on this. Hi, hello. It's not doing a very good job. This is a little charging cube. It's from Apple. When I got my iPad, they sent this like obviously with it. I've heard a lot of people actually in the past say that like the iPad charging cube is the bigger one. Charge your phone and all your electronics like a lot faster than a regular small cube. This is the one that I was using before. This is what I'm using now. This one charges my phone. I'm not kidding. It charges it, like it'll give it like an extra 30% within 10 minutes. Whereas like this one would give it like an extra 30% in like 30 minutes. I don't know. Not even. But so this has been my favorite. You probably can get them on Amazon. This one like came with my iPad, but I think I want to buy more of these just for like all my electronics. It actually is amazing. And I know they have new ones that aren't USB. They're like the little smaller ones. This thing is amazing. It's a favorite. I'm gonna plug it back in. If your phone takes forever to charge, I totally recommend getting one of those. Life-changing. Okay, I was gonna shower, but I just don't want to. We have moved to the kitchen. I have a few more favorites that I want to show you while I fill up my water. So it's gonna sound like someone's peeing, but I swear it's just the water. Does it sound like someone's peeing? Okay, my first, I don't know, it's the water. I feel like the water really sounds like someone's peeing. I just like can't. Is it almost done? It's almost done. It's not done, but whatever. Wow, bad lighting. So one of my favorites that I've been wearing a lot recently are these like oversized t-shirts. I actually did a little sponsorship with Victoria's Secret Pink and they sent me like a few of these, but you really don't have to, you can get them from like Goodwill. You can wear like men's oversized shirts, but like just oversized shirts because they're so comfortable. They're fashionable right now, which is like great. That I love it. Like sweats are like fashion. Another favorite, frozen grapes. Amazing. Let me just, I'm not that hungry right now, so I'm not gonna eat them, but I thought I'd still show them to you. You wash grapes, put them in the freezer. I say wait like 5 minutes for them to like thaw a little bit, and they taste so good. They also are the best when you put them in Tupperware, but I'm lazy, so I just put them in a bowl. But if you put them in Tupperware, ooh, chef's kiss. Mwah. I've talked about frozen grapes so many times, but they are my favorite snack ever. They taste like a green grape, obviously, but then like the inside of them tastes like the texture of a slushy. Okay, this is falling. I kind of picture them as like green grape, like slushy balls. Like a green grape Jolly Rancher turned into a slushy that is in a little ball. That is how I would describe it. They're so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. But back to the t-shirt, I'm like all over the place. But yeah, these have been my favorite. Sometimes I don't even wear pants with them. I wore them without pants one time. My sister got really mad at me and she's like, I'm not going in public with you, and I was like, don't. I've been living in comfy clothes and this is like the best, like the comfiest thing ever. I think I'm gonna go to Goodwill when it opens and buy a bunch of oversized t-shirts. That's all I ever wear, and so I've been wearing the same shirt like 3 days in a row. That's not cute. I don't know why I admitted to that. Now I'm gonna shower. Thank God, finally need to do that. This thing, I've talked about this before. It's a little like shampoo brush. So it just helps kind of like, you put your shampoo in your hair and then you can like run this on your scalp, and it just helps get like the shampoo and get all of the product and stuff out of your hair. I will have all the products linked down below for you guys, but this one is really inexpensive and it makes a big difference. The one issue though with this, I will admit, is when you like kind of use it and it kind of like knots your hair a little bit, which is annoying when it's by the scalp. So you just have to be like pretty careful with it and can't, you know, circle it all around. This is a really good product. If you use a lot of products in your hair, this helps get them all out. If you don't have like a clarifying shampoo or you just don't want to purchase one, boom, get in a shower. I was like, I don't want to get my camera wet. Just got out of the shower. I am doing some business stuff right now. What I do, I feel like it's like you're on call 24/7 and you're not working 24/7, but like those moments where you're like in the shower and you're like, oh my god, I gotta do something. I thought I'd share with you guys some of my favorite skincare and body care products that I've been loving while I, you know, use them. I'm gonna do skincare first. Obviously skin sensitive and breakouts and stuff, so I always feel like I do my skincare first, so I don't have any of my like lotion or body care products on my hands when I'm touching my face. I feel like it just like makes sense. I'll show you guys some of my favorite products that I use at night during the night time. The Clinique Moisture Surge Extra. I should put this. Oh my gosh. Okay, the reason I bought this when I was in high school. Not this exact tube, but I started using this in high school when I had a really bad sunburn, and I would put this like on the peeling parts of my sunburn, and it literally was the only thing that made me stop peeling. And then recently, maybe like this past December, I started using it on my face and my skin. She's not perfect, trust me, I know. My skin started clearing up a lot more, being more hydrated, obviously because it's a very moisturizing product. I've been using that a ton. I've been freaking obsessed with this. I talk about it all the time, but if you guys are looking for a moisturizer that like will really hydrate you, I recommend this. I'm actually gonna put this on the part of my body that's peeling right now, but I'm gonna turn the camera off because I'll be naked. This is another product that's been really good to me. You can see my towels in the background. Oops. But this is an aloe vera spray. So instead of a regular gel, I've been using this for a really long time, and I'm actually like obsessed with it. There is one thing that would stop. What the heck? Do you see how much, like, I've used this only a few times. Do I really use that much, or is it leaking? Anyway, there's one thing that kind of prevents me from recommending this 110%, but I think it's my fault. I got really sunburned. If you guys saw my last video, you guys saw how badly I was sunburned. It was pretty bad. So I have a sunburn for a few days, putting on aloe vera gel, and nothing was working. I was still really red. So then I bought this because I used to use this a really long time ago. I bought it on Amazon, $8. Sprayed it on. The redness went away within 24 hours, and I had that sunburn for like a while, like a few days, like maybe like 3 days, 4 days. So like the redness wasn't like going down at all. Like normally my sunburns will, like, the redness will stay for a really long time. The redness went away within like the same like 24 hours of using this, and I definitely think it was this. I don't think the sunburn was just like, okay, I'm done being a sunburn. One thing that I will say is I'm peeling a lot right now, and I don't know if it's because of this or if it's because I was using a regular aloe vera gel before and then I started using this. I don't know. Testing it out. I want to use this only on like certain parts of my body and see if it's peeling. If you guys are looking for a good, I'm like, you guys are probably like, why are you recommending this? It's not working. It is working. I'm just getting a lot of texts right now. I'm really sorry. Another product that I've been loving, a lot of YouTubers actually talk about this all the time. It's this Hemp's lotion. It's sweet pineapple and honey melon. I watched a video. Alicia Marie was like, it's amazing. And then I was like, okay, should I buy it? And then Sierra Schultze, I think that's how you pronounce her name. She was like, she tested it out and she was like, it smells really good. I like the smell of this. It's not as amazing as everyone makes it out to be. Like, it's still good, but it's not like, I'd give it like an 8.5. But the one issue is, watch this. The pump broke. I've had this for like not even a full month, and the pump already broke. So then I have to like take it out, and then I have to scoop everything. It's just like a whole thing. I do really like the scent of this. It is very fast absorbing. I don't think it's like the most hydrating thing in the world, but it does hydrate decently well, and it does absorb really fast. So if you are looking for a fast absorbing lotion that smells an 8.5 out of 10, this is it. I really have been liking this, but it's just not like as groundbreaking as everyone makes it out to be, but I do think it is really good. Put her back in there. Okay, I need to spray my hair with this thing. I've been using this for a really long time. I've been using this. No, hello? No. Come on. Hello. I've been using this for a super long time. Forgot to put the lid. My foundation like squirted on my mirror, so now my mirror's all dirty. I had to clean it up because the foundation literally went. I actually have a lot of damaged pieces of my hair like right here. I don't know what happened. I don't ever use like heat, so I'm assuming it's like from ponytails because it's right here, and like ponytails sit right there, and like just pulling on them too hard and making them too tight. So I do spray it a little bit closer to my roots than the average person would. Like most people would put it down here, but it's basically a bonder. So what it does is if your hair follicle is like this, it tightens it and makes it like stronger. It helps my hair like feel like the damage feel less frizzy. Pretty good. I'm not going anywhere today, so I'm not gonna wear makeup because that would just be like a waste of product and time. But I still wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite products at the moment. This thing is literally crazy. It's not. No, it's not. It's just no. So this is my Clarisonic Mia 2. Most people use this as something to like wash their face with, like a face brush, whatever. A while ago, they came out with a foundation brush head. It's like a little detachable foundation brush head. And I used to use this in high school, and I recently found it because I'm back at the house I lived in high school for the summer, and I found it and I was like, oh my god, I should try it out. And I tried it out. I'm obsessed with it. It's literally just a regular foundation brush. It just turns on and then it just kind of like goes. It doesn't even go in circles. I was like convinced it like went in circles, but it doesn't, I guess. My foundation takes like 2 seconds to put on. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, I just... My foundation has never taken so short of amount of time in my life. And then I will just take like a beauty blender or a Morphe sponge, a non-damp one because I'm too lazy to dampen it, and then just kind of like pat pat it on my face like with no product, just like get any brush strokes off so it looks all seamless. This thing seriously has saved me so much time in the morning. I have not been getting ready that much, I'm just gonna be honest, but when I do get ready, this has been one of my favorites. Sitting on my bed eating my frozen grapes, they're in that corner. Right now I'm just making some collages and stuff. I ran for a position in my sorority and it would have just been like a regular position, but because of COVID, honestly it's kind of turned into like an unpaid full-time job. So a lot of work, just doing stuff like that. I kind of screwed myself over with something, so now I'm kind of panicking. So now all day I've been like, I can't really talk. Well, I don't know, I'm just kind of panicking because I think I just really screwed myself over. Eat my frozen grape, and I'm going to make some collages while I watch The Office. I'm rewatching it. I've watched it so many times, but I'm like obsessed with it again. Oh, I can show you guys another one of my favorites, but the thing is I just lost it. So if you guys have an iPad and an Apple Pencil, I've really been loving having this little case on my Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil used to like hurt my hand to hold because it's so solid, and it's not heavy, but it's like, it's just so, it's solid. I don't know. I bought this little case for it. There's some little grips right here, and then when you charge it holds onto the cap, which is super nice. But the one thing is, my case has a little spot for the Apple Pencil, but it doesn't fit in there with the case. Gonna watch The Office, make some graphics, update ya with some more favorites when I'm done. I feel like Jeffree Star when he like does that thing. Hi, hello. Oh, what are you doing? My new favorite thing is letting her experience what it's like to be a human. I don't know why. I'll pick her up and I'll put her at my level, and then I'll let her just like see and sniff everything that I see, and I think she's been liking it. I gave her a tour of the fridge and the pantry today. Right now I think I'm gonna make some food. I think that I want to make homemade chicken Alfredo. Just sounds really good, and I kind of came up with the recipe last time I made it, so we'll see if it's still as good. And she's gonna sit there, beg for food the whole time because she's adorable and I love her. Yeah, I think I might have messed up a little bit simmering, so we need to wait for it to boil and then we can cook the pasta. Lily's so excited. So is it. Oh my god, I want their lives. Literally think about it, like they're just like in quarantine all the time, so this is just everyday life to them. But they're excited that we're home, or they're really annoyed that we're home. Hi. Just ate my food. Now they're a favorite of mine too. Hello, just beautiful. Watching The Office. It's starting season 4 soon. My room is kind of a mess. What if I set my camera right here and then you can hang out with me and them? I'm gonna put my hair in front of my boobs just because, yeah. Some cute guests. We have some cutie guests. I played one video and now they're like, oh my god, someone's out there, but they're stupid and didn't realize the sound came from right here and not out there. They're so cute though. You can't blame them. Okay, so I ordered a package on Amazon. It said that it delivered, so hopefully it's so dark. Oh, it's here. Who is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is what I ordered. Sorry, my robe and my towels. I didn't pick them up. I'm sorry. This is what I ordered. Her name is Zoe. She's really, no, I'm kidding. I ordered this book, which at first Zoe was really interested in. Now she like doesn't even want to look at it. See? But it's called The Defining Decade: Why Your 20s Matter and How to Make the Most of Them Now. I saw this on Instagram and I thought it would be a good read for me because I am so freaking bored here. I'm losing my freaking mind. I have nothing to do. The only thing that like entertains me is The Office and making YouTube videos. So I bought this, so I was like, oh my god, I can read. It'll be cute. Why are you looking at me like that? Zoe, I love you. It's a little bit later. I made some brownies. I'm now hanging out. Really? I was just about to be like, oh my god, she's like not too cool to hang out with me, and then she's like hiking a mountain right. Oh, she just plopped. She was like walking on all of this and it was like an uphill battle. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you grunt again for me? Yeah. I love you, but I'm trying to film. She won't shut up. Thought I would show you guys my last favorite product that I've been using before I end the video. It's called Babe Lash. I showed this in a haul a little bit ago. This is my second like tube. I got the small travel size one. My eyelashes have doubled in length. Like they are so long. I curled them this morning, but they've probably fallen. Like my eyelashes are literally double the length that they used to be because I had eyelash extensions, which destroyed them. Oh my gosh, this is the most adorable thing ever. Okay, I need to take a photo of this too. Hi. You're so precious. Oh my god. Can I like put her in the background as I do this just because she's so cute? Like how do you not? I love you. But my eyelashes have seriously been so much thicker and grown so much faster. When I do stop using this, I do notice that they go back to normal. So like when I use this consistently, they're like long. So I literally just run it on my lash line just like that. It was super. Oh, I just dripped some. Okay, I'm gonna try to take. Yeah, I just try to scoop it up with the applicator. Literally life-changing. Can you guys see? I can't even tell if you can see. This is probably like the #1 thing that I've been loving just because not wearing makeup, I always just kind of feel like bleh, but having like long eyelashes even when there's no mascara or anything, just like I feel like can change the way you look. So this has been my #1 go-to. Again, everything that I mentioned will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My camera battery is still blinking and dying. If you guys like this video, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see down below. I love you more than life itself. I'm gonna go watch The Office and hang out with my dog. Mwah, kisses, bye.